Long ago, before humans, before birds even, the rainforest grew like green velvet all around the Earth's middle, warm and moist, a womb for the planet. The Earth shook, and the ice came and went, and the greatest forest of all was born, the Amazon. She filled her trees with bedazzlement, and humans came to live with her, millions of them. But those were the old days. Today, I speak of death, not life. In 100 years, over half the ancient rainforests have vanished. In India, Haiti, Bangladesh, all gone. In Thailand, Guatemala, Madagascar, West Africa, Oceania, China, near to dying. The Amazon's people consumed in a holocaust of war, starvation, and disease until only a handful walked the lonely glades in sorrow. Each year, a forest the size of Florida lives only in the dreams of the newly homeless. Each year, another tribe leaves no trace. Each day, 10 million trees breathe their last into the choking air. How many have died while I am speaking?